Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how I clean and organize my refrigerator. So if you wanted to see how I do that, just keep on watching. As you can see, it's a small grocery haul for the week. Just some vegetables and some bread, eggs, just the basics. I am removing everything from the refrigerator and I will be cleaning it out as well and wiping everything down. I already wiped everything down, so I will just start putting everything back in. There is some stuff that I left that are the same as you saw in the clips before. All my juices and waters will go at the bottom, and then after I put all of that in and organize it, you will see that I put milk at the bottom as well, so all the drinks will be there too. So once the bottom shelf is done, I will start on the doors and putting mostly everything that was there already. It's just stuff that actually don't fit in the middle, so it's just easier to grab, like the condiments and stuff like that. All the smaller stuff, because then I can actually see them. Sometimes they get pushed back and I don't use them, so it's just easier access for me. In the little drawer, I'm just adding cheese and some meat in there. Those are the stuff that I usually use all the time, like for breakfast and stuff. And then I didn't know where to put that, so I just put it on the side. I don't usually drink coffee, so I just left it there. And then these containers are actually from Ross, and they were very inexpensive. They were about like $3.99. So I put the jalapenos in there, and in this one I will be putting my tomatoes. And they fit perfect in there. I didn't know if they were gonna fit, so I only bought two. But I'm showing you what I did. I actually finished it off already. So I put those in there, and then I put in another container that I bought from Ross, I put my lemons and some more tomatoes. And then those two containers I also bought at Ross. And then my eggs, I put them in a container as well that I bought at the dollar store. So this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.